Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NBEV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But let's get some updates here mapped out after today's price movement. First update I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning, get rid of the line up here. Sure, this level still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines everywhere that can cause clutter. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So $6.80 was that level of support going into today, but now that the price is down below it, that would be the initial area of resistance that now needs to be broken up above. So yeah, like I said, I deleted that other level of resistance out of here just because for now, priority number one before we start to talk about any of those resistance levels up higher would just simply be proving themselves in the short run. So the bulls have to prove themselves in the short run. Again, Clay, that's cool you said prove themselves, but how do you quantify that phrase prove themselves? $6.80, the price getting up above it and then staying up above it is how it would quantify and define, the statement prove themselves. Now, what about next potential areas of support? Well, as of right now, it became pretty apparent that $6.50 did indeed establish itself as support, which is not shocking. Why do I say it's not shocking? Well, if you go back through the earlier periods of the chart, you can see 650 had a track record of holding that support there. And then all of a sudden, during the first 30 minutes, acted as support again. And then the final 30 minutes acted as support again. So far, so good. 650 is indeed holding up as support as you would want to see it. In the event, though, the price does break down through 650, the next key level would be right around that gap close location at $6.25. So again, near term 650, if that doesn't hold as support, then keep an eye out for right around the 625 mark. So yeah, the price pulled back again today. Is the entire chart ruined? Absolutely not. But yeah, the price is showing a little bit of weakness, but by no means is it a total collapse or anything of that nature. So still a couple days left this week. Let's see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.